EA1000TiR Indoor Rental Transparent LED Display is a very suitable display for rental applications. It has many excellent properties, such as quick installation, ultra-high permeability, ultra-thin and ultra-light structure design, high precision, modular design, etc. Provide users with an extremely convenient experience. At the same time, the design of the fixed block can stabilize the screen body, make it more solid and reliable during installation. In addition, the display also supports multi-screen interaction. It can realize the linkage effect between multiple screens, provide more shocking visual effects. In general, EA1000TiR Indoor Rental Transparent LED Display with outstanding performance and design features.